Check out this backyard. It is my absolute favorite part of any home, and especially this home. Coming up, I'll show you why homes like this and living in Sherwood have my family hooked, from the amazing community to the lifestyle that just can't be beat. As you can see, there's nobody else behind you there. You have neighbors on either side. Great area for kids. But first, let's take a look at the exterior of this beautiful home. Quiet streets, beautiful landscaping, and a neighborhood that instantly feels welcoming. This is exactly what makes Sherwood so special. There's also a school just down the street, about a 2-minute walk. All right, step inside and you'll notice how bright and open this area feels. You've got a den off the main entrance, which is great. So you can work from home, or if you have in-laws. There's also a bathroom next door and a laundry room. So you've got lots of storage, a sink as well. The main floor flows perfectly from the living room to the dining room and the kitchen. It's both functional and stylish, perfect for everyday life or entertaining friends and family. This kitchen has been beautifully upgraded with a gorgeous backsplash, as you can see, in gray and white. New quartz countertops, new cupboards, new lighting throughout this home, fresh paint everywhere. Good sized pantry as well. This home is vacant and it is ready for you to move in. If you've got a large family, this open area concept is perfect. You can have friends around the island and check out the new lighting throughout the whole home. You also have a formal dining room here as well. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs, the bedrooms are private and comfortable. You have 4 bedrooms in total. You've got a primary suite as well. Tons of natural light. You've got a bonus room here. Closet in the middle. You've got 3 bedrooms here, and then the primary is on the other end. Each bedroom is very large, has walk-in closets. The whole house already has blinds on all the windows. This is a 2006 home. They've done some upgrading in the bathroom. You've got another bedroom here. Sorry, there's 5 bedrooms on the main level in total. 3 bedrooms are in the basement, so there's a total of 8. And then we're going to go into the primary bedroom. So you can see it's very large. Large walk-in closet as well. Very comfortable for you to relax in the evenings. You have your ensuite as well. Private area for your toilet. And we're going to head on downstairs. This house does have a side entrance as well. There is a kitchenette. There's 3 bedrooms down here. So bedroom 1, bedroom 2. They all have windows. They all have closets. Brand new flooring. This is just built for this house recently this year. If you're looking to move to the Sherwood area, I would highly recommend taking a look at these homes. This community already has a school, Catholic school, and there's an area for a public school that could be built. There's Beacon Hill that is just up the hill for shopping. And if you're looking to move to this area like my husband and I did 4 years ago, you can contact me. I will have a QR code that's going to come up and you can just scan it. And that'll take you to be able to text me, ask me any questions. I'd be happy to show you around.